Welcome to our 2025 CapCut video editing tutorial. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know to master CapCut and edit like a pro. First, let's get started by installing CapCut and creating your account. It's quick and easy. Now, let's dive into the user interface. I'll guide you through the main tools you'll be using. Next up, importing media. Here's how you can easily add your videos, audios, and images. Let's explore the basic editing techniques like cutting, trimming, and splitting clips effectively. Now, adding transitions can make your video flow better. Here's how to make smooth scene changes. Incorporating text and titles effectively can elevate your video. Let's cover some tips for visibility and style. Let's move on to working with audio. I'll show you how to edit soundtracks and add sound effects. Finally, when you're done editing, it's time to export your project. Here are some best practices for different platforms. Thank you for joining this CapCut editing tutorial. Remember to explore and get creative. Happy editing!